honestly speaking, I feel very humbled. I've been swept off my feet, and sincerely, in all my life, I've never subscribed to celebrating birthday, more especially this way. That's the truth about it. I'm really happy. I had some drop of tears from my eyes when I came down, even when I got to this place. It's not a sad tears, but tears of joy that people could love this way, appreciate even when I've not done anything for them. Honestly, I want to thank every one of you. I honestly do appreciate this honor and this special birthday bash. It's bash because it was the correct thing. I honestly do appreciate. I want to say that I will still remain the Fubara that you know. Power will not change me. I will still make sure that what I hold here in life is God and respect for people. I will continue to maintain it. Power will come, power will go, but you still remain who you are. I will still remain the Fubara that you know. With your support, that River State that we are all here for, we will definitely, even if we don't get it completely, we will put those things in place that will channel us and drive us to that River State with your support. That is the only thing that I know I can assure you. I will not do anything, act in any manner that will bring disgrace to myself or to every one of you that have come, that have decided, that is ready to sacrifice everything for us. Today, or this morning, is a birthday morning. It's not a morning to discuss politics. It's a morning to say, I'm happy. I'm 50 years, according to you. I don't know whether I'm better than that. But the most important thing, I'm celebrating my golden jubilee. It means that I've joined the League of the Old Men from today. I want to thank every one of you. Honestly, on behalf of my wife, my kids that are not here, but they are with us in spirit. So thank you to everyone. Like I said, I can't pay you back. It is the Almighty God that will reward you. Everyone who has made sacrifice. You did, people did it well. Whoever did it for you, it's right. So I'm going to thank all of you. My wife, I love you already. You know that. So let me thank you too for this very special birthday arrangement. It's whoever may be